I'm Nancy Laffey from Completely Quilted, and today we're making month 10 of the Atlantis block of the month. It is the Octopus Block. So block 10 starts off with lots of different elements, but we're going to focus on the sunset with the green squares. So these are dimensional triangle units that we've made before. And then I'm just sandwiching two more of those folded rectangles with the folds oriented inside to create this center piece. So I'm going to take that seam and then I'll have my center fit. The next element I've created for this block is another dimensional triangle unit with two different colors, with my green and my sunset. And now I'm going to sandwich another folded strip, aligning all of my raw edges here. And then I'm placing that right sides together with my dimensional triangle unit here. And I'll stitch all of these, 4 of them total. Now that these units are finished, I'll just set those aside. And I've went ahead and made my other 3-dimensional triangle units that are different color combinations, and these are all going to be sewn together in a nice row here. And then my last element to stitch together are these. It looks like a flying geese unit, but actually those are triangles that have been glued down. So these will be sewn together as well. And then after that is stitched together, then this will be sewn just alongside my octopus like this. So you can see those angles and how they move away from those colors. So I'll stitch all that and then I'll be ready to put my block together. So here are all my elements. I'm going to go ahead and sew my rows together and then I'll be ready to add my sashings and then top stitch my curves for the octopus block. Here is my month 10 block pieced together, and now I'm ready to fold back my curves, and all of the curves in this block will be top stitched to create the octopus block. Thank you for watching our demonstration on the octopus block, block number 10 from the Atlantis block of the month, which is designed by Southwind Designs. I hope you join us for our block of the month, Atlantis.